Hello there. How's it going? Welcome back, guys, to another Bad Bass Fishing video. And I know a lot of you are here because you are patiently waiting for the winner of our lure giveaway. So that's what we're doing today. So if you guys came over from TikTok, you guys already know, and if you didn't, well, you don't know. But I put a video on my TikTok and it blew up to like 25,000 views, and basically it brought over 1,000 subscribers to the channel. So thank you guys so much for helping me out, and to give back to you guys for helping me blow up, I'm giving away some fishing lures. And I mean, we got some pretty cool things. I mean, we got a bunch of like Bugan Squad, like saucy swimmers, flat bangers, frogs, swim baits. I mean, we got a lot of everything. So I figured since you guys have been supporting me and helping me get to this point, well, I give back to you guys, and I'm gonna try and give back to you guys as much as I can. So that being said, let's get on and talk about the giveaway. So I like seeing like where all my subs are from. That's why in all my giveaway videos, I like having you guys comment, obviously not your specific address, but the state or country or city that you live in. And I think it's pretty cool. Like, we got some fans up in Canada, we got people from Minnesota, Florida, I mean, just everywhere. So that's pretty sweet, and I appreciate you guys for giving me a chance and coming to watch my stupid self try and catch fish. Also, look at this deer. I finally got this up on my wall. I'm gonna build this into a little fishing wall, and then over there is my gaming side, but you guys probably don't care about that. But if you do, Twitch TV/FishTix, something like that. But anyways, today's video is gonna be pretty short. I didn't get any fishing done. It's been like crazy out, like you guys know. I mean, especially people in like Texas and down the south where you don't get cold stuff like this. We got like 8 inches of snow, 10 inches of snow. And you guys up in like Minnesota and stuff that are used to this, well, we're pansies down here, alright? We're used to just random weather and stuff, but I mean, I drive a Ford Focus and they don't get around in the snow very well, so can't really do much fishing, especially when everything's frozen, but not frozen enough to ice fish on, so, you know, I'm stuck here doing giveaways. So, that being said, just want to let you guys know that the video is going to be kind of short, and after I announce the winners, I'm going to announce another giveaway for you guys if we can hit this milestone, and I know we can, because you guys are crazy, and I'm loving the support that we've been getting lately. But let's get on with the winners. And I'd also like to mention that if you didn't win this giveaway, there's going to be plenty more. Like, I have a lot of stuff right now, and I'm sure it's going to accumulate even more and more and more. So don't worry if you don't win. Don't feel discouraged at all. Just keep an eye out on our videos, and I'll try and put giveaway in the title, but sometimes I don't. There's just a giveaway in it. So if you sub and stay notified when my videos go up and watch them, I mean, there's a chance you could win some more lures. So that being said, let's announce the winners. So I got them on my phone right here. It's all completely random. I don't pick it. I get a YouTube generator or whatever, and I just pick random comments, and I can set up like how many I want to win. So here I picked 3 winners, and here are your winners for our giveaway. Winner number 1, Haley Nesbitt. And forgive me if I pronounce your name wrong. Yeah. From Pea Ridge, Arkansas. Haley, congratulations. I'll explain after I announce the winners of what you guys need to do, because I'm gonna have to get like confirmation to make sure that it's really you and I'm not just sending lures to a random person saying that they won. All right, winner number 2, Zeke Magoon Vlogs from Duluth, Minnesota. Does that sound right? Congratulations. And winner number 3, ooh, a local, Samuel Troyer from Lincoln, Missouri. Born and raised, baby. Well, I wasn't born there. I was born in Japan, but I was raised there. That's my life. But congratulations, guys. Haley Nesbitt, Zeke Magoon Vlogs, Samuel Troyer. Congratulations. I'm going to have you guys reach out to me. It don't matter which one of my social medias. I got them all linked down below, preferably like Instagram or something like that. But I'm going to send you guys a code when you message me. I'm going to have you like reply that code back to your comment on that YouTube video. It'll be just like 4 numbers. And when you guys do that, I'll get a hold of you and we'll get your address and stuff down, and I'll ship you some lures. I'm going to be shipping out like 3 to 4 lures. It's probably going to be like 2 soft plastic bags and a hard bait or 2. So, you know, I can't give away everything, but I can give away enough to where, you know, you can go out and catch some fish. So congratulations, guys, and thank you all for joining our giveaway. Alright, so now on to a bigger giveaway. So I really want to get to 10,000 subscribers this year. And with your guys' help, I know we can do it. So I'm gonna need your help right now. And I need you to just smash that like button. The more likes we get, the better it is for the algorithm. The more we get, reach out to people, and the faster we can grow. So if you enjoy giveaways and just fishing and hunting and stuff like that, give me a chance. Like the button, or click that like button, subscribe to the channel. It means a ton. And well, if we can get to 10,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving away a little YouTube starter pack. So that's gonna consist of, it's not fancy, but it's a really good camera. But it's a GoPro Hero 5 Black. It's got a touchscreen on the back, films in 4K, 120 frames. Actually, I think it's higher than that. But I'm gonna be giving away one of these, and then I'll also be giving away probably one of my rods, or just a brand new rod. I'm gonna give away a rod and reel, and then probably just a big box of lures. So if you guys want a chance to, win yourself a GoPro, win yourself some lures and a fishing pole and stuff, then you can kickstart your own YouTube channel. Or if you just need an upgrade, or you just want extra stuff, there you go. So share this with a friend. I mean, like I said, the more people we get it out to, the more subs we can potentially get, and well, the faster we can grow. We're almost at 3,000 right now, so if you haven't subbed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Oh, not to mention, I did put it off for a little bit, but a long time ago I told myself, and I told my fans, that if I hit 1,000 subscribers, I was gonna get a tattoo of my logo. And that's still in the works. I'm trying to figure out where to put it. So I mean, if you want, comment down below where I should put it, on my body. Don't say anything stupid like my butt or something. But we're gonna be planning on doing one of those kind of videos, and well, it's a part of me now. I'm even if I don't go anywhere with YouTube or whatever, it's still fun. It still pays a little bit of money, and well, I enjoy it, and it's super fun to do content creation. So yeah. But yeah, so we're gonna be getting a tattoo if we hit 10,000 subscribers, and maybe sooner, who knows. But go ahead, share with a friend, tell your family, your friends, share the channel, and well, hopefully we get there. Also, I'm gonna try and do giveaway videos probably every other week or something, because I want to keep you guys involved and show you guys that I appreciate you. So, stay tuned for all that, and well, hopefully you guys win next time if you didn't win this time. So yeah. Anyways, guys, I don't really have much else to say. I mean, you can look at my cool deer that I shot in 2012 on opening day. I got, starting a little fishing wall and stuff. Hopefully I'm gonna get a pegboard and put all my lures and stuff on there, and there's all the extra stuff just kind of give away. And well, yeah, you can keep up with me on my socials, follow me on TikTok, all that stuff. I put clips, and I try to put little highlights of my videos and stuff in there, so you guys kind of get a sneak peek and all that fun jazz, and so on, so on. Oh, and also, how would you guys feel about me dropping some merch or building an online site? Would you guys cop some merch? I wouldn't make it extremely expensive. I'm not huge on making a killing off of merch. Obviously, a little bit of money, a profit coming from it helps build the channel, build camera gear. Let me buy stuff that could potentially make the channel better. But how would you guys feel if I built a website and put some merch designs, t-shirts, hats, sweatpants, just the whole shebang? Let me know how you feel about that. Give this video a thumbs up if you think I should do it, and let me know in the comments below if you would cop some merch. But anyways, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and drink my coffee from my dope Mandalorian cup. What's it say? Something about the force is strong with the young one. I don't know. The force is strong with this little one. Yeah, pretty cool Mandalorian one. Shout out to Kaylee. She's in there making biscuits and gravy right now, so pretty sick. Oh, and if you want to see her in future videos, let me know in the comments below too. But anyways, folks, I'm gonna be signing off. Got some food to eat. Got to go to work here pretty soon, sadly. Brutal snow outside. And well, congratulations to our winners. And like I said to the other people, if you did not win, I mean, we had we have 40, 50 comments, 60 comments, something like that. It's getting crazy, and we're getting subbed off of it, so that's awesome. Don't be discouraged. There's gonna be plenty more, and I'm gonna be giving out lures to potentially everybody, so stay with it. But anyways, folks, I will see you guys in the next episode of Bad Bass Fishing. Thank you all for watching, and folks, like always, stay hooked.